Oh, the recording was stopped. Inna lillahi. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So was
Sure.
that not being recorded?
Oh, unfortunately.
Oh
But it,
no.
but inshallah, don't worry. We will repeat this. Don't worry, inshallah. We'll repeat everything. Okay. So what I was saying is telling you. Can you remind me?
So you said you were going to give us some patterns to memorize.
Hmm. And patrons means ozan. Remember this because this is we need to have original terminology. Basan, ozan, scale. That is what fa'ala yaf'ilu, wazan. And mozun, zaraba yazru means on that wazan, on that scale we are having these words. And the second one was nasara yansur means fa'ala yaf'ulu. And mozun nasara yansuru. The third one was sami'a means fa'ila yaf'alu sami'a yasma'u. Okay, or alima ya'lamu. Okay. So I'm giving you the gardan. Gardan, this is gardan. 14 sighas, okay, of mazi ma'lum. So remember this. And I will share with you also to memorize it. So this is what zaraba, zaraba, zarabu, zarabat, zarabata, zarabna, zarabta, zarabtuma, zarabtum, zarabti, zarabtuma, zarabtunna, zarabtu, zarabna. Can you memorize it?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has memorized it before coming to this session?
Yes.
Tell me. Yes. Who memorized it?
So I think I know a little bit of it.
Yes, yes, tell us.
Okay, for the al-mudhakkar is dhahaba, and then jul is dhahaba, and the plural is dhahabu.
Don't say singular plural, just carry on.
Okay, mufrad, okay. Dhahaba, dhahaba, dhahabu, dhahabat, dhahabata, dhahabna, dhahabta, dhahabtuma, dhahabtum, ذهبتي ذهبتما ذهبتن ذهبت ذهبنا
Very good.
ذهبنا.
Very good. Likewise, the second is naswara, naswara, nasaru, naswarat, naswarta, naswarna, nasarta, nasartuma, nasartum, nasarti, nasartuma, nasartunna, nasartu, nasarna. You have to be like this, okay? But even more like alima, alima, alimu, alimat, alimta, alimna, alimtum, alimta, alimna, alimta, alimtuma, alimtum, alimti, alimtum, alimtun, alimtu, alimna are samia, right? So I think 3 gardan. If you remember, I will ask you, then I'll ask you the siga. Then we'll discuss like how to ask the siga, how to memorize it. This is the first thing you have to do, but remember, still we are going through introductions or introduction in depth. Then we will start learning the rules of making and how they are made, and we'll go into depth. But I will give you the thorough introduction first, thoroughly everything. Then definitely we'll go by book, right? Any questions?
So why is this the detail that you're explaining now, why is it not in the book?
Yes.
The details that you just shared with us, is this not in the book? With all the different terminology.
Terminology is in book, but definitely the surf is a totally different, complete subject. We will definitely go by book if doing exercises, everything. But I'm not giving you anything from the book we are going through. Okay. I'm giving you the thorough introduction from the subject of verb itself, from the original text, right? So you must know
Okay.
everything before we start unfolding and going through the minute details of how to make them. Because if you understand them first, if you just have understanding and memorization of the sigas or the gardan, then definitely when we'll start unfolding them and learning them bit by bit, how they are made, how their constructions are made, what are the different meanings, then everything will be easy. So first of all, the thorough introduction, right?
Okay, sir. So is there a book that you can recommend for surf that we can read to, you know, reinforce our
I will keep sharing the material with you in PDF. Don't worry about that.
Okay,
I don't want
inshallah.
you to go through many books,
Okay.
right? And because we'll be also making slides of that, so that will be easy for you to understand and also to teach that as well, right? We need to have all these things in a master copy for everyone available to teach wherever he or she wants to teach.
Yes, inshallah.
Inshallah. So I think this is enough for today, right?
Ustad, can you please repeat the homework? The internet is bad today. I didn't hear the homework properly.
In homework, you have to remember 3 gardans of Mazi Ma'lum, like Zaraba, Zaraba, Zarabu, Zarabat, Zarabta, Zarabna, Zarabta, Zarabtuma, Zarabtum, Zarabti, Zarabtuma, Zarabtunna, Zarabtu, Zarabna, then Naswara, and then Alima, right? I'll share also those gardan. Okay?
Yes.
Eman,
So,
did you
sir,
listen?
sorry.
Uh-huh.
So, sir, are we applying the Ozan, is it called? Yes, to those 2 words as well, Nasara and Alima.
Yes.
Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
Right,
Ozan
okay.
means wazn, like fa'ala yaf'ilu for zaraba yadribu. For nasara yansuru, fa'ala yaf'ulu. Then fa'ila yaf'alu for sami'a yasmu or alima ya'lam, right? I'll also share the masadir with you, different masadirs. Let's start going bit by bit. You'll be having everything in your hand.
Okay.
Means we are going through this work thoroughly. And if you're going to start another session, then if anybody was having difficulty in understanding Nahu, we'll be having advanced classes for Nahu as well. But for the initial concepts, anyone can also join that, inshallah. So, and also work on it. If somebody is available for learning, definitely. So we are available to teach, inshallah. So you can also find out some English speaking people. They're serious. They want to learn Quranic Arabic. So find them out, inshallah, and make them part of our group, right?
Okay, inshallah.
Okay, till today, I think it's enough. Then we are going to meet, inshallah, on Monday. And I hope that you will memorize these all 3 gardan. I will also share, inshallah, PDF of everything. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.